with Max Masterson, the guy that's behind the sourcing. We had a wonderful day on the boat today, right? It's got some great shrimp. And I mean, it was pretty exciting to learn the mechanics of the whole thing. But let's talk about really shrimp.
Quality is a huge factor in our business, and my responsibility being at the dock. You know, we take pride in passing on quality shrimp.
So when we take that sack that we, when we took the sack, we put the shrimp, we washed them, put them in the sack,
right,
and it actually went into the brining box, right, which is like freezing, and it's got a solution of brine in there. We dip it in there, and the shrimp are individually coated in the brine.
Exactly, IQF, that's what we want, not block frozen, but IQF. So the brine tank is super important. The shrimp gets drained, and then it goes down in the freezer. So when you lift out a sack of shrimp, the shrimp are individually frozen and not blocked. Super important.
Tell me about the shrimp when you're looking for, are there certain times of the year the shrimp are bigger?
Around November, December, January, you get a lot more, 16, 20s, 10, 15s. The shrimp grow over time. It's kind of a slow process, but they do grow, and you get the bigger shrimp in the winter months, the cooler months.
I think that answers a lot of our questions, right? I mean, we're really excited about being a partner with Paul Piazza, right? I mean, Tony, you've been leading this up for a long time, and I've got to say the quality is amazing. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your smarts. I really enjoyed it.
Yes, no problem.
Tony, as always, a wealth of information. And stay tuned. We're going to be going to one of our Sysco customers and actually taking some of those shrimp, and we're going to be making some really, really cool dishes and seeing how they use their expertise. So Alex, thank you very much for having us in today.
Absolutely.
All right, so we're really here, we're excited because you guys use a ton of our wild Gulf Coast shrimp, right?
Absolutely, yes.
So do you mind bringing us back in where it all happens and show us one of the dishes?
Of course, yeah.
All right, come on, let's go. Let's check this out.
Welcome to the Tex-Orleans kitchen.
Oh, awesome. Hey, how are you going?
This is our Tex-Orleans boiled Gulf shrimp, button mushrooms, edamame, boiled greens, and alligator andouille sausage.
Ooh, alligator andouille?
Mm-hmm.
We got quite. This is why we're here.
Chris?
Well, that's got some spice on it.
So Tex-Orleans kick.
Thank you so much. This looks absolutely spectacular. We're banging out crawfish. We've got shrimp going here. Thank you so much for having us. Thank you so much for the support. The fact that you buy these beautiful Paul Piazza Gulf Coast shrimp from us. And we love the fact that they're wild. So, hey, thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.